There is a microwave in over 90% of American homes. However, the inventor had no idea that this accidental creation would become such a beloved mainstay. In 1945, a Raytheon engineer named Percy Spencer was developing microwave radar transmitters during World War II. One day, he had noticed that a candy bar in his pocket had started to melt while being exposed to microwaves. With some experimentation, he discovered that microwaves could be concentrated to heat food. He created the first microwave oven, using it to cook popcorn. Nowadays, microwaves can be used for countless, quick, delicious culinary creations. Most of us use microwaves for things like popcorn, lean cuisine, and leftovers. Cast aside those mundane tasks and unlock the true power of your microwave. You can make mac and cheese, crispy bacon, oatmeal, steamed vegetables, coffee mug scrambled eggs, spaghetti, and even s'mores. Some fancier recipes include chocolate chip cookies in a cup, stuffed banana boats, and pizza in a mug. See more on our infographic.